Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for another CAD tutorial. It is an awesome Sunday. I want to say hi to my subscribers and those of you who drop by to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. If you continue to enjoy my videos, please give it a thumbs up so that I can continue to provide content every Sunday. And of course, I enjoy doing it either way. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get this colored 5.5 by 4.25 piece that's already, ready cut package that I have. I'm going to be using Distress Ink Peacock Feathers. This one would be Wilted Violet, and this will be, oh dear Lord, I cannot see this, Mustard Seed. Okay, so I got this all colored up. I didn't use too much, color really, just a little something, something, sort of a white background. So now what I'm going to use is my cuttle bug. And as far as the sandwiching, I think you start with the A plate, then the B plate. And guys, I've not ever done embossing with this. So B plate, okay. And then it says the metal die. So I want to arrange this in such a way that I can get, just kind of like a little something in the center, I guess. Not too much. And then you put the, okay, so that will be this here. Let's see how it comes out. I hope I can, get it where I need it to be because I really cannot see jack. Then let me see, cut material. Okay, then this one, the rubber mat, and then the other B plate. Okay, so all right, let's see what this does. Okay, oh, that came out pretty good. Okay, so you see it's really pretty here, as you can see. Now what I'm, oopsie, I don't know, it's kind of my camera, there we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use one, and this time I'm going to do a die cut. So let me do the die cut. Now if you have vellum too, you could add, just for a little softer touch, you could add a vellum, because I want it to be a little thicker. I don't want it to just be just plain, but I'm not going to adhere all of it to each other. I'm just going to put in the middle, and then I'm going to do this. Let's go ahead and get it in the center here. So you have that in the background, and then we can get a gem perhaps. I kind of like this, for some reason I like this pearly gem thing. Okay, and let's get it right in the middle here. And there you go. You can do a happy birthday, you can do anything, you can put more flowers, but that's just simple using your die cuts as embossing folders. Okay, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I shall talk to you guys next week. Bye.